Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You must act now. Power the camera, insert a charged battery, and turn it on. Open settings on your iPhone and enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Make sure airplane mode is off. Install the camera's official app from the App Store, sign in or create an account, and grant location and local network permissions when prompted. Once done, leave the app open and keep the camera within 10 meters. These steps reduce pairing failures and prepare both devices for the core connection. Open the camera app and follow the Add Camera flow. Select 360 remote or specific model, then watch for a pairing code on the camera or in the app. If automatic Bluetooth pairing doesn't complete, tap Join Wi-Fi Network in iPhone settings and pick the camera's temporary SSID. Enter the default password shown on the device or app. Once linked, the app will prompt you to name the camera and finalize permissions. Make sure to keep both devices steady until the confirmation appears. Finalize by setting resolution, orientation, and enabling cloud sync. Update firmware when offered to avoid later issues. Test a live view and record a short 10-second clip, then save it to Photos or the app cloud to verify right access. If the connection drops or never completes, perform the one-key fix. Reboot the camera and toggle iPhone Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, then reopen the app and reattempt pairing. This simple reset clears temporary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.